This week, I went undercover to reveal the secret menu items fast food restaurants don't want you to know about. My goal was to build an entire meal out of items not officially listed on a menu. My trip started at Wendys, where I ordered my main course, the Meat Cube, a cheeseburger with 4 patties.
So you want a triple cheese with an extra patty?
Yep.
All right, I'll have your total for you at the window. Thank you.
It was off to Burger King to order some frings, a serving of half fries, half onion rings. It's not officially on the menu, but I was able to order it with no problem. I still had room for dessert. I headed toward McDonald's to get an apple pie McFlurry. Could you blend in apple pie into a McFlurry for me?
My manager said I guess.
Success. But dessert wasn't over. I was on a roll. I drove to Long John Silver's for a special treat. Is it true you can buy a box of crumbs from the fryer?
Yep, you can purchase order of crumbs.
Awesome.
Just one order of crumbs?
Yep.
All right, if that's everything for you, please pull up to the window and thank you.
My meal was finally complete. Next week on Just John Just Reports. Heart disease. How do people get it? This is Just John Just Reports.